Okay, so now we're moving on to addition, adding two fractions together. Now, in class we said that before we can add the numerators, we need to make sure that the denominator is the same. So in this case, in question A, the denominator is the same, which means that we can go right ahead and just add the numerators together. So 14 over 30 plus 9 over 30. This is just basic simple addition. 14 plus 9 equals 23 over 30. So again, make sure don't add the denominators, just keep it the same and just add the numerators together. Okay, so now we need to make sure that we can't simplify this anymore before we think that we've got the final answer. So does one number go into the numerator and the denominator equally? Well, in this case, the number 23 is a prime number, meaning that only the number 1 and the number itself, which in this case is 23, only these two numbers are able to go into the number 23 equally. Now, we know for a fact that this isn't going to help us, because if we choose number 1, we get the same answer. 23 divided by 1 is 23, 30 divided by 1 is 30. Now, we know that 23 can't go into the number 30 equally either. So that means that the answer we have here, 23 over 30, is correct. We can't simplify it anymore. Okay, so the next question is 18 over 20 minus 7 over 20. Now, the same rules apply when we're subtracting. Nothing changes. The only difference is we're subtracting the numerators. So the first thing we need to make sure before we do that is that the denominators are the same. In this case, they're both 20, so we're good to go. We're okay to minus the numerators. So in this case, the answer will be 18 minus 7 equals 11. We keep the denominator the same, so the answer will be 11 over 20. Now, again, before we think that we're finished, we have to ask the question, have we simplified this fraction down to its simplest form? To find out, we need to see if we can find the numerator and the denominator in the same row or the same column. Now, if you were to have a quick look, and these numbers aren't very big, so it's very easy to find out quickly, you'll notice that there is definitely no 11 and the number 20 in the same row. You can check all of them and you'll find that there isn't one that exists. So that means that we can't simplify this fraction anymore. So the correct answer is 11 over 20.